Introducing Smartbox, the easier way to compare business loans. We understand that time is money for business owners, and we're here to help you save both. Smartbox is a loan comparison tool that shows key pricing metrics so you can compare business loans from different lenders. Here's how to use Smartbox to compare business loans. Ask lenders for a Smartbox. It's the easiest way to objectively compare loans. Look for the total cost of credit metric. Smartbox includes 7 key comparison metrics, but the most useful metric is the total cost of credit. Total cost of credit is the answer to the question, how much am I paying to borrow this capital? It shows how much you'll pay for the loan, including interest repayments and any fees. Have a look at the annual percentage rate, or APR. APR can be helpful to compare interest rates on business loans with different terms and repayment periods. But it's important to note that APR doesn't account for hidden fees and charges. So while one loan may have a lower APR, it may ultimately have a higher TCC because of hidden fees and charges. And now, Smartbox helps capture the most important metrics from other lenders so you can compare different loans quickly and easily. Moula, backing good business.